Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yeah, man. Y'all already know, man. Reds Joe live trading. Let's get right into this trade, man. We're not going to waste no time. We're going to get right into it. As you can see, we have been doing good, actually. We're doing great. The last time we left off on the last live stream, even though I had a lot of technical difficulties, but hopefully you guys checked it out, the trades that I was making. We was at $175,000, right? And we started with like around 68,000, so we made like an even, $4,000. So I've pretty much been trading, here and there all morning, and now you can see that we around 191,000, right? So I mean that's pretty good. I must say. Okay, let me check some things out real fast, and I'll be right with you guys. So let's check some things out. Make sure we don't have any technical difficulties. Let's say 5. Yep. So yeah. So right now we at 191,000 in the 564 from 75, 175. So that's around like, what you think? Like maybe like $15,000 we had pretty much made at that point. So I think we pretty much ready to do this thing for real. So let's go. So we just been doing a traditional scalping, and I have been following the same method that I've always been following, which is pretty much create my own pattern flow. And we have been trading in the flow, but I actually been doing, the market have been going the way I've been wanting it to go. So I have basically been using my RSI chart. Whenever it hit it, I usually look at my trade and see if I'm within this flow. And things have been going the way I've been wanting them to go so far. So I have no complaints right now. But I'm suspecting the market to really go down, because we really do good when it's around. It usually mellows out and be a little bit more volatile when it's when the market is like at 100 and I say 102, 104, because I just think right now the market is a little bit undervalued. So we are taking some little slight losses right now, but I think we could get it back. Okay. Yeah, we took like 2 losses. But as you can see, we've really been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We took almost like 18 positive trades in a row. And it just really been, now I was about to hit my mark, so either it's going to pull back, get green, get clean, so either it's going to pull back or it's going to continue. It seems like it's going to continue though. Okay. And it pulled back. Lost 180. Yeah, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. also want to stand within this pocket over here. Kind of pulled back a little bit too quick for me. That's why I really got out of it a little bit. Get green, get clean. All right, we made 300 on that. Trying to do a little bit something different, but the market has been, I've been seeing so many opportunities in the market. I can't never get into what I want to get into when I'm doing these videos. I haven't even been on my other channel in a while. I gotta make a video on my other channels. I have a gaming channel on Rumble. I haven't even done my other channels. Okay. I pretty much do my trading channel every day now because it's a new channel and I want to at least have my videos caught up on this channel for you guys that's coming out here to look at this content. Oh wait, it's taking $100. I'm losing that. Oh, come on now. We got to get out of 91,000 now. I think the market's going up though. Let's see. It's going to try to retest that at least. Oh, I was wrong. Oh man, I was wrong on that one. Okay. Oh, they try to come up now? Yeah, it's coming up. It's going up. And get green. Get green. Get green. Get green. Get green. Get clean. It's gonna hit that bucket. Will you continue at that point? Probably. Maybe so. Okay, $55. I didn't want to do that. Okay. I'll take that $150. What we doing right now with Tether, we trading on the momentum. Catching the trade, why isn't this in momentum? Why it's moving up. Taking a little bits and pieces off of it while it's moving up. We're not catching the whole trade. Just taking pieces off of it. Not trying to stay here too long. We're not overstaying our welcome. This is just classic scalping. It's not really the advanced stuff I was doing earlier. Just trying to let you guys know, just trying to let you guys see that you could actually do classic scalping and make just as much money. This is basically, we getting green, so if we get green, we get clean. If the trade goes against us a little bit, we take that loss real fast and get back into it. To get green, get clean. We even take a small little trades, $10 here, $10 there. You know, $40 here, $40 there, $50 there. You know, if you trade in, you know, in cents, you can 25 cents here, 10 cents there. Eventually that money adds up. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, this may go against me because it may pull back. I'm thinking it's going to pull back. It seems like it's not, though. Oh. Hold up. All right, let's see. Where were we? Oh, we was at losing $200. Okay. At least get our $200 back. Take that 119. Well, at least we had 92,000. So we up $1,000. Oh, it's trading within the flow. So it's a theory. So now we can have a probability, since we know that it's trading within this flow chart. It seems like it's trying to break our chart where we don't have to readjust it. So whenever it goes up here, I could assume that it's going to eventually come back down. And when it come back down, I can assume it's going to go back up, since it's in an uptrend. Get green, get clean. All right. And what you want to do when you make the chart, you want to keep it as tight as possible. You don't want it to be too big where you do from here and go all the way down there. That's more of a supply and demand type. That's more like a supply and demand trying to follow the momentum. You want to keep it tight. Like how I have it right here. Like from here maybe to there. That way it's trading a little bit. You want it to resemble this, where it's going a little bit above it. But you actually want it tighter than this. Let's see if it's going to pull back from there. Because for the most part, you trading with people in the retail and they don't have enough money to be making like big moves where the trade's going to go way up. Okay, what is she? Oh no, my computer acting up. A little bit of technical difficulties, but I think we are right now. All right. Okay. All right, I think we good now. I think we pretty good now. we're going to see what's going on. But like I said, you want to keep it tight. I say you don't want to make it too tight, too slim, but you want to keep it the flow a little bit tight. That way you get a better understanding. You can catch the trade a little bit better. And like I used to trade from the horizontal. But my horizontal have not been yeah, my horizontal have not been. Let's see. Yeah, actually, yeah, I used to trade with the horizontal line. I used to just put like maybe like a horizontal here and do that. But that's a little bit too tight because you're really just trading up and down, up and down, up and down. You're not really seeing the flow of the trade that much. So it's like, there's no point. Okay, let's get green. So like it's going to pretty much hold right there. Get clean. And yeah, they took really the Binance off of my thing while I was able to trade what does it keep doing this for? Well, I was able to trade pretty much Bitcoin with Tether, which I feel is better than trading with American dollar. Because you're still trading just basic crypto, and I think crypto move amongst each other a whole lot faster than using, because when you're trading crypto versus the American dollar, you got to think that in order for it to transfer, it's going to take a lot longer than it's just trading crypto to crypto. So that's just with any crypto, even if you're doing alt trading, which I'm going to get into that as well. You got to think that it would be a whole lot faster and a whole lot smoother to get in the market with another crypto versus crypto, then because the exchange is a lot better too. Can't wait to these stores and stuff start like accepting crypto. They already accept Bitcoin. Oh, Moses. Oh, wait. It's about to break. To break past that. Well, we had 193 bucks, so 193,000. Okay. Doing pretty good so far. So, and we haven't been trading that long, actually. We only been trading for maybe like 20 minutes or something, 30. Let's take a look. How long? Well, 21 minutes. And we just doing the basic supply and demand. We're not trying to overstay our welcome. And I mean, we just doing the basic scalp trading, the traditional scalp trading, pretty much trading within the momentum. So, and we're not trying to overstay our welcome. We're just taking, soon as it hit green, we're gonna get clean. Or even if it go into the red, get out of that trade and try again. Let's get into it. Look like it's going to continue to go down, don't it? Is it going to come back here? It look like it is, ain't it? Don't it? Oh, wow. Pulling back. Yeah, it sure look like it's trying to go down there. It may pull back. Yeah, pull it back. It sure looked like it was going to try to go down there. Hey, it's still not, the momentum still have not changed. It's still like the sales, it seems like it's, the big boys is trying to put a sale in. That's why it's so dangerous to trade on this minute chart. You know, that's why I recommend people trade in a 5 minute, even if you just do a 3 minute chart. I think that's the safest way. Green, get clean. With a minute chart, you're seeing all of this going on. It do get overwhelming. It can get like a little bit confusing. Versus you looking at a 15-minute chart. Which is honestly the best way to actually do any type of trading. It's the hour and 15-minute chart. It's the best way to actually trade if you're doing like trends and things of that nature. You could easily catch trends that way. Because you see all this, you really can't catch it. You really can't catch no trend. Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, get green, get clean. Okay, yeah, if you see all this, you really can't catch no trend doing this. Like, the only reason why it's making sense now is because I'm making sense of it. I'm drawing my own. I'm catching just the flow of the pattern, but it do takes a little bit. But I'm actually showing you guys how to do it. So. And like I said, yeah. Let me get into my. I'm always on my Discord. If anybody have any, I trade on my Discord pretty much all day. So I'm gonna have to put my Discord in the chat. That way you guys could take a look at my Discord. Cause I'll be in my Discord trading pretty much all day. You can always catch me there and ask me any questions you want live. I'm not one of them guys that say, here's my I got a Discord and don't be in there. I'm always in there. right. It's going up. It's in the flow now. Remember, it always comes back to in this flow. Then I say that it always comes back into your flow, and that's why you make these charts. And then when it breaks past it too much, then you know you got to readjust it, because you're readjusting it to basically know for sure that it's going to try to go back in there. So you know that the market is basically, people is buying and selling in the market in the Pacific area, or the Pacific price area. And they buying and selling into it. So which means they buying out of it, the people are going to sell back into it. If they selling out of it, they're going to buy back into it. So only tricky part is, when you win it. But all you got to do is, if you really want to do the trade correctly, you just wait for it to come out of it, just like you wait for it to come out of the RSI. And then you could take your trades going back into it. But if you see the market is going out of it, then you could predict that it's going to go out of it. Or if you see the trade in the middle right here, and your candles are showing you that it's going up, that means that it's going up to this resistance point here. And it may continue out of it, but eventually it will go back into it. But if it go out of it to the point where it's at no return, where it just created a whole new area, then you just readjust your chart and do the process all over again. The green. And wait a little bit. Get clean. All right. We had 195. Didn't even know that, man. 195. Wow. Okay. Came back down. We could have took that trade, but it's in the middle of the chart, though. I gotta get a new table. Hold up. Definitely got to get a new, a new table. Now, see, look, now it's going down. It's going to hit this resistance mark, which I could really put it right there if I wanted. It's going down. Hit that resistance mark. You could put your trade there to alert. Like, you could even not do nothing in the middle of it. You see alert, and you can see if it's continuing to go down out of it, or you could see if it's going to come back, pull back. So, it's up to you on how you want to play it. I mean, you don't have to take the trade, right? You could wait for it to leave out of the chart, actually. You could wait for it to leave out of the chart and actually take the trade, for it to come back into the chart, come back into this flow. Keep on forgetting. Hold up. Okay. Now it seems like it's on this line. I just put a price right here. It's on this line. You hit that alert. It's resisting. Will it continue or will it pull back? Pull back pretty much 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's the 3rd time. It pulled back. Now it's here again. But this is showing you right here on this chart that it's actually crossing, going down. So most likely it will continue. So you pretty much could take that sell. Now, it's kind of taking the sell a little bit too early because you're guessing at this point. But I am predicting it off an educated guess. Now it seems like it's going up. So I can pretty much see what it's doing here. Yep, it seems like it's going up. It may pull back. Should do your thing. Well, it's saying that it's going up, so $199. I got green. And it seems like, I'll stop it. Seems like going up still. So it may continue to go up actually. Right? But we're going to catch the momentum. Oh, see? Came down. So now this is the fifth time. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the fifth time that it hit this resistance point. So we know we got it at the right spot. And now I broke past it. Now we trading on the momentum. It's still going down. We're just gonna ride that all the way down. Great. It's at 600. Now, some people and people always ask me, okay, now that it traded out of the flow, do we readjust this chart over here? Like readjust it? And I say no, actually. It haven't went far enough. So it could go right back to this chart. Because if you readjust it, what you're doing is now you're setting a new parameter or a new area where the market is probably still trading in the same area. People probably are still buying it at this price. Just because people are still lowering the price, that doesn't mean that that's the price that is substantiated at. People still is going to probably buy where the price will actually increase. Gonna take that $51 loss, and like you see right here, it's actually going back up. So actually you could take buys here. Just wait to see what the market's going to do. You could take a buy. You could look for, actually buy for people to buy back into the market, and it goes back to your flow chart because you may have a big trade on a buy. And what you want to do, you want to look for the previous, and that's when you readjust it. Because then you will be readjusting it back to the chart that we had before. But as you can see right here, the market came back and went back into this chart again. So you don't know if it may do that again. It haven't even reached this yet. This the line This is the line that I'm looking to break. This is the original spot where it actually did break and went back into my flow. If it breaks that and continue to go down, then I will readjust my chart. But right now, it's not the time to readjust it because I may have a big trade going into the buy back into the chart. Or I may have a trade at least coming down to this point. Get green, get clean. I lost a bit of money. Quite a bit of money, but we had $196,000. That's pretty much another grand that we didn't made. See, it's going back to this point right here. Get green, get clean. There you go. Now, is it going to break it? That's the point. It broke it. So now you could basically say maybe I got to readjust the chart. But it just reversed it. It just reversed it. So do you really want to readjust it? It is a little bit further away. But let's just see what it do. Because it may be still going down. Get green. Get clean. It hit it again, and if it may be still going down. We only need a few more dollars to hit 97. It looked like it's going up. Yep, it's coming back up. It's coming back up, ain't it? Yep. Coming back up. It's coming back up fast. Got something to do. That's why I'm putting this stop loss in. I'm really not trying to use the stop loss because I'm trying to show you guys like in a traditional sense of trading, scalping. But I was doing something, so I didn't want to lose any money. My trailing stop losses is not actually working for some reason. It was working yesterday. It stopped working this morning. So, well, you see, and look what's going on. Now it looks like it's trading going back into this chart right here. So I would have missed that big trade thinking that the trade is going down and readjusting this chart when actually it's actually going back up. So what you want to do, you want to establish a low and a high. It's pulling back. Okay, it didn't quite make it to the chart though. And we kind of green right there. Yeah. It's kind of didn't make it back to the chart. Getting a little bit better with my timing as well. Like I'm catching it right in the momentum of the trade. Like I know you guys is thinking like, whoa, how the heck is he? I'm literally catching it right when it moves. But I got a clock on, so that's how I'm doing it. If anybody go, well, how is he doing? I got a minute clock. I got a clock that say a minute. As soon as they hit a certain section in the clock, like maybe like 30 more seconds, I take the trade. So that's how I'm doing it. It's just a little tactic I'm doing. But I do got a clock on. That's how I'm taking the trades. That's how I'm like kind of catching it in the momentum. Because the market has a system that is at play. So it's not all the time the market has to, the machine in the market has to basically record all the orders that's being put in. And that's when it puts the trade in. So I'm really just timing the machine when all the trades is actually put in. And that's how I'm making my predictions, and that's how I'm timing it. So that's how I'm catching it. It works way better when you're just trading. It really works way better with Forex, actually. If you know what you're doing, it really works way better with Forex and stocks. But there you go again. So now I'm actually will establish this. But I actually let's establish it. And it's still going down actually. $354, getting green, getting clean. We just trading on the momentum. We're not even catching the whole trade. Because it may just pull against us. But as you see, I just readjusted because it really just broke past this little line right here. And as you can see, the trade is still kind of going wacky. But we're not getting caught in the wackiness because we have our flow chart right here. We have an idea of where it's going to go. And all our predictions is educated guesses. Okay. All right. Okay. Get green. We're gonna get clean. Oh wow, we got lucky with that one. We got lucky, y'all. And look what it's doing. It haven't even recorded. Oh, wow. It literally didn't even record all that because it moved up so quick. And look, it went right past this chart. And it's going back into the original chart that we just had. That's why sometimes it's a little wacky sometimes, but that's fine. If it goes back up there, because I still have my line here, we'll just set it right back where it was at. That's fine. It do get frustrating sometimes, though. Market's getting a little wacky, that's all. And 84. Let's get green, let's get clean. Market's going down a little bit. And we've been trading for 47 minutes. I mean, and we made quite a bit of money, and we have reached our point of $200,000, everybody. Good job. And here I've been doing this for... Good job. Right? Good job. That's $100,000 in less than... Well, how long we been doing this? A week? 2 weeks? Okay. 100 grand in 2 weeks. I don't even think it has been 2 weeks, actually. You could say really a week, because we only really literally been trading like 3 days a week. So 6 days? I don't know. How many videos I got up? See, it's going back. See, it went right back into that chart. So we did pick the right chart. The big boys come into play now. The big boys come into play. See this move? The big boys come into play. Now they would have tricked us with this had I left that chart up there. So we did actually make the right move. Interesting. $200,000, everybody. That's almost like 10 grand we made, right? We was at what, 91? We was at like $91,000, so yeah. It's close to like 10,000. Well, it's definitely about to be $10,000 now because we about to get $201,000. Wow. I think that trade did it too, actually. That trade that we just hit, that Bitcoin. I think that's what did it. Well, let's get back on it, y'all. Gotta stay focused in the market. Gotta stay focused in the market. Yeah. It's be going and up and down. Those y'all that market don't be playing around. Gotta stay focused in the market. Market be going up and down. Ain't never playing around. Get that money, Joe. Market don't be playing around. The market don't be playing around, playing around. Market stay be going up and down. Get that money, Joe. All right, we had 1,000, so that's like 1,100 off of 200 and down. So we definitely at $10,000 now. Like, what's going on? Yeah, I didn't even notice that, bro. Like I said, I literally just do this for fun. Honestly, I really don't even really be paying attention to how much money I win or lose. I really just care about winning. Okay, I think we figured it out, y'all. It was a little bit rocky in our first videos that we was making because I had to pretty much adjust how to do it how to do this in the studio and everything. But now we pretty much got it now, because now we live streaming. At first I couldn't get the live streaming right, so I think we got it good now. Because yesterday I didn't even know that my mic was lower than the actual music. So I know you guys heard the music, but you barely heard me on the mic, so y'all lost a lot of knowledge. But hey, like I said, I always repeat my knowledge, so it's pretty much the same system. Get clean, get green. I stayed a little bit too long. It's pretty much the same system. Like I said, this will be your flow. And it's basically a custom-made RSI chart, actually. It's pretty much a custom-made RSI indicator like this one, the way I got it set here. And that's pretty much what this is. And pretty much we trade in the direction of it. Now I'm probably going to have to readjust it. And what we do, we just basically readjust it, and you can see how the trade has been going. It has been going back into what I would like to call my custom-made RSI chart, but I call it the flow because it's just a way that I figured out how to trade in the flow. But remember, I wasn't trading in the flow. You know, that was like one of my basic rules that I had for like newcomers, and I still pretty much recommend that, you know, because it teaches you how to be patient whenever you taking a trade. But if you want to basically be a little bit more advanced and actually do scalping, I recommend you make your own custom chart. That way you could be patient and you could trade within this. Because you basically, it's price action. And price action is basically, if you basically get a basic understanding of it, price action is rather the area of the price, right? Where is people buying and where is people selling? And people that is buying here, right? If you see it's down here, in order for this area, any price action to happen, people have to buy into it. If the market's up here, right, and you have your flow like this. This flow chart right here, this is a price area. In order for any price action to take place here, since the market is up here, you will have to take a sell. Because you know that the price action would eventually get back down here, or at least close. So you have to take a sell if it's up there. Now, if the market was down here, right? The market was down here. Go ahead and get clean. If the market was down here, you would have to take the buy, because you know eventually that the price action will eventually come back here. So this will be just your price action. I call it the flow because this is where the market flow, but it's basically my own custom-made RSI chart. But we could call it PAF. It's not letting me actually, for some reason it's not letting me. There it is. We call it PAF. PAF. That's what we could call it. Go from there. Put this back here. Price action flow. Flow is just something that I made up, y'all. But you get the basic understanding of it. So when you up here, it's not automatic. You're looking for it to either continue to go up. That way you will have to take your chart and readjust it back. Readjust it back to another price area, to another price action area. But most likely when it's price, I know the price action will eventually come back into this area. So if it's above it, I'm gonna take the sell. Right. Now you could basically take a trend trade and take that same sell and wait for it to get back to that price action. And then you could take it and, you know, put your little, you know, take profit in within it or whatever, or, you know, however you want to do it, however you want to take the trade. Now this method really works better if you taking a trend trade, if you're taking like a swing trade or something of that nature, because you could basically look at the hour chart and you could see within the hour chart it's less action going on. So you just pretty much could, you know, look at your 15-minute chart or an hour chart, and it's eventually going to go back into that area. Like, it's not even going to be like multiple candles here. It's just going to take maybe like 30, 40, 50 minutes. By the end of the day, since you're taking bigger trades, it's going to eventually go back to that area anyway. Because as you can see, even within his minute chart, you know, the market is moving up, down, even in the minute chart. So imagine if you was trading on the 15-minute chart, where you get this times 15, or an hour chart, and where you get this times 60. And then you could just think about how much money you would be making at that point. Basically, it's a lot. Which is not really even trend trading. Like, you know, it's really, you think about it. Right? Let's go. Money, Joe. Get that money, Joe. Get that money, Joe. Get that money, Joe. Market going up and down. The market's coming up and down. Money, Joe. Up and down. But you don't be playing around. All right. Hey, look, and check it out. We have not even been trading that long like usual. We've been trading for like literally 59 minutes. It have not even been an hour yet. I usually like to have these live streams on for like maybe like an hour and a half. All right, let's see where we at. So it's coming back into the flow. It's coming back to our PAF. So okay, it's going back into it. If anybody looking, which is mostly my family members, I hope you guys is like learning this. It's going back into our PAF, and look what it's doing. Now I'm going to let this trade go. I'm going to let this trade go. So yeah. Is it gonna reach it, or am I gonna? Okay, let's go. Let's see what it do. Now I'm breaking my own rules now. I don't want to overstay my welcome, and I'm not. So I gotta be disciplined and remember that I'm scalping to show you guys something. But as you can see, we just made what, 10 grand? At least 10 grand. We're just scalping, right? Man, like 10 grand with just scalping. I mean, you can't beat this, man. Losing that $400. Okay, we'll get it back. Let's not worry about it. We'll get it back. That's my fault. I was looking at something else. that money, Joe. Whoa, 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 whoa. Money, Joe. Whoa, whoa. Get that money, Joe. Whoa, whoa. That money, Joe. Whoa, whoa. $500, right? We don't want to overstay our welcome. Let's go. You had to get that little 400 back anyway, plus $187. Woo, get that money, Joe. Okay, we about to hit this. Here, yeah, we hit it, and it went past it. Okay, so it's still going down. It's still adjusting, and it's going down. The market's going down. Okay, we could set this. Let's see how far it goes. We don't want to overstay our welcome because, as you can see, it's pulling back. 200 out of that. We'll take that. Okay, I could put this lever right here because I think it's going to go back in. Now, remember the theory. Remember our PAF chart. Now it came back and it went back where it was at. Our PAF chart. Our PAF chart is way below the market right now. It's below it's in the price action below our price action area, which will be our PAF chart, this purple area. Since it's below it, in order for it to get back in our purple area, people have to buy into it, which means that the price has to raise. So you would take a buy going into the PAF chart, like I just did, right? Because the momentum is going back into it. Now, once you get in it, you could take a look and see if it's going to continue to go up and buy out of it. And then once it buy out of it, right? You could take the sale. You could take the sale of it. Going in, selling into it. Now, if it buy completely out of the area, then you could just adjust your PAF chart and create a new one. Create a new area for it. And see if the market go in and out of that one. Let's see. Getting that money for $58 and it's us. How the market's going up. How the market's going up and down. All right, it's going down instead of going up. Okay. I kind of figured that though, but we'll catch it. Call it right before it bust our behinds, and we reversed it because I kind of figured it was going to play that game with me and play the game right back with it. You can keep playing games with me, buddy. I'm gonna keep on playing with you. I lost that $42. $57. Oh wow. I'm loud. Wow. With a crowd. Okay. All right. All right, let me see some. Let me no, not that. No, not that either, buddy. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? All right, let's go. For a minute. Okay, I got you. All right, here we go. Post it right here. Okay, I'm about to end it in a minute. Okay, people contacted me. Whoa, I got lucky. Whoa, yeah, it's completely out the area now, y'all. So let's take that. We don't want to overstay our welcome. It's completely out of our area. Okay, so now it then went down below in our RSI chart. So would it continue? Most likely, if it's down here and it's below your other one, most likely it's going to continue like what it's doing now. But it's pulling back a little bit, so it's doing a little something. So yeah, buddy. Now we can readjust it because it's completely out. It's completely out to where we was at. The big boys come into play and they trying to shake things up, right? But we okay. We all right, y'all. Don't worry about it. Here he is. Here we go. We okay. All right. We still staying our welcome. We could take that little loss because we had a major gain. So we don't got to worry about taking losses because we got a major gain. And remember, we like $15,000 up right now. So we definitely up like around 15 grand or at least 14. Man, we gonna go from there. Now it's gonna try to attempt to go back up, but we got it at our PFA chart, so we pretty much good, y'all. We don't really have nothing to worry about. We had nothing to worry about right now. 600. We don't want to overstay our welcome. Okay, and we had nothing to worry about, guys. We is up 206 now. We at 206. We had absolutely nothing to worry about, guys. We did this in 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. No, not even 2 weeks. Remember, we did this in 6 days. I just looked at the videos. We did this in 6 days. Okay, hold up. I just looked at our videos. 1, 2, 3. Hey, wait a minute, buddy. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 live sections. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's 5. 5 days. 5 days with you guys, and I say maybe like a day or two. Just me. I got other videos too, so yeah, 6 days. I'll give it 6 days. I'll give it 6 days. I'll give it that. I'll give it that. Okay, everything seems to be okay right now. Everything seems to be put together. We had some crazy moments. All right, so we readjusted our PAF chart. I gotta get used to saying that. We have readjusted it because we had a big trade going down, and we actually caught that trade actually. So we had 206. Maybe some here. So let me check this out. Yeah. So we actually caught that trade. We hit it for 900. And we lost 312, but we hit for 500. And you guys seen these. So we caught that trade. So I had my other screen up because I was actually doing something on my computer. Taking the money actually. Ain't gonna lie. Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna see what it's gonna do. I mean, we pretty much already straight right now. I mean, honestly, we was only supposed to do like, we was at 91,000. I was only trying to get to like maybe like 94. I was only supposed to get to like 94,000, and I was going to stop. But I was thinking like, okay, well, we have been hitting $4,000 a day, and like we've been hitting like 4,000 a day. I mean, I hit 15,000 earlier this morning, and we have been hitting together 4,000 a day. So I'm thinking like, okay, we get to $95,000, and then I'll stop. Because really, you should really honestly stop. How much money do you need? Like, you should really stop. And once you hit $1,100, you as a normal person, you could stop. Like, what else do you need to do after that point? Like, what are you trying to buy? I mean, if you're not living in a mansion or nothing, like, what do you need? You could gradually build your money up. Like, so... But we've been hitting $4,000. We've been doing more than enough. Like, what are you gonna like? What is you gonna honestly spend $4,000 on? Like, I know everything went up, but what are you gonna spend $4,000 a day on? If you like, because most of you guys is probably like pretty young, and you guys is probably like still going to school, stuff like that. Like, I understand, like you want to party, but it just clothes don't cost that much, right? I don't know. You kids could put it in the comments how much some of that stuff costs. But I mean, if you guys buying $4,000 outfits, I mean, you guys probably got to do a little bit better with your money. Now I know like PCs and computers and stuff, and like I mean, video games probably could be a little bit pricey, but. You guys probably, I mean, bills are only going to cost you so much. Like, you're going to spend like maybe like $1,500 on bills if you're a kid. So you made like your bill money. And then like you made another $2,000. That's like your party money. I mean, after that, you still got like $1,000 left in 1 hour. I mean, yeah, you pretty much got your life all set for at least that month in one day. But we did it 4 days in a row. So what you gonna do with the rest of the money? Like, that's why I say, like, like, you honestly is, you don't have to, you pretty much you up. That's what I like about trading. Like, even on a down day, you probably made so much money when you was doing good, where you really not actually taking a loss, because it's not like a real loss in life, because it's like you would be spending that money on BS anyway. At least when you lose your money here, you learning how to do something, and you could get the money right back once you learn how to do it correctly. Like I show my losses and I show my winning days. And I had some pretty bad losses. Okay, we're not overstaying our welcome here. Yeah, the big boys came to play. They tried to trick us, y'all, but we caught their behinds. Yeah, they tried to trick us. They came in and threw that. They came in and threw that sell in. Oh man, I wish I was trading altcoin right now, because if Bitcoin going down like this, that means all the altcoins is going down like this as well. But if you know, when you know how Bitcoin do, Bitcoin goes down in the beginning of the week. So on the weekend, Bitcoin always make big moves, but during the week, Bitcoin will build itself back up, and then over the weekend, everybody. It seems like that's what these, like, I guess that's with these little these hedge funds that's buying Bitcoin, and these little maybe banks and stuff that's buying Bitcoin, these institutions or whoever these guys with the big money is buying into these markets. That's what they're doing. They setting themselves up for big sales, so they are buying all week until it hit. Like you seen during the week, they bought all the way till it hit like $105,000. They've been buying all week. And then now you see over the weekend, they waited all the way until Saturday to sell all of it. We don't want to overstay our welcome, y'all. But we're going to hit it anyway, so we good. So we made $1,400, guys. So they've been buying all week, right? And then, yeah, I'm hip. I'm hip to what they doing. They've been catching me. They caught me 4 or 5 times. They got me for $10,000. Remember, I got the video up where they hit me for like $6,000. Yeah, I'm hip to y'all now, Mub. I'm hip to y'all. No cussing. And I've been peeping them out all week. So they planned this. This ain't no, oh, well, Bitcoin is going down and all that, and the people ain't buying and the people selling. No, this is the institute. Look, all these moves is the institution. This is institution. This is not regular people. This is the institution doing this. All the move, boom, went up. That's the regular people. And look, sell. Went up. With regular people, sell. And then here go the institution. That's what they've been doing all day today. They've been doing that all day today. So they doing that to really trick you guys. And it's the machine doing it too. That's why I have not even been trading against the American dollar no more. I've been trading just with Bitcoin and Tether, US Tether, so I could catch it right in the crypto market. Because everything's go faster in the crypto market. It's way faster than the fiat currency. Okay. I don't want to overstay my welcome. Yeah, but that's what they've been doing all week. They have been buying into the market all the way till it reached $105,000. And I've been thinking that it's going to, and everybody been thinking like it's going to get back to 108, because that's where it reached its max. 108, 109, 110. It have not reached its max, but they've been faking everyone out, thinking like, okay, we're going to buy, and go up into that certain place. It's going to reach its max though. It's going to reach it. It's going to break it. Bitcoin is going to reach at least $200,000 by the summertime. I mean, I know that for a fact. Bitcoin is going to at least reach 200 grand by the summer. It's only like all of this presidential Trump stuff going on right now, but the institutions is taking advantage of that. They're taking advantage of everybody knowing that Bitcoin is going to hit that. So why are you trying to take a trade thinking that the market is going to just go up. You know, they taking trades. They putting sales in because they already got millions of dollars of Bitcoin that they could sell into the market, and everybody's going to buy it because everybody know that Bitcoin is going up. That's what the institutions is doing, which is driving the price to go down. But then the institutions will basically fake everybody out because everybody hip to what they're doing. So the institutions will buy into the market so the price could go up. And you thinking like, oh, whoa, the price going up, right? Let me buy it. Thinking that it's like, you know, they think they tricking you, you know. Let me buy into the market because it's regular people buying the Bitcoin. We made another $1,200, y'all. Let's buy into the market because we think it's, you know, people, well, yeah, everybody getting into it, but it's the institution manipulating the market. They buying into it because, and then me and you, we just thinking that, okay, Bitcoin, the price is going up. But actually, it's just the institution trying to set it up for a sale. And then when they sell, you probably thinking like, okay, if they do set it up for a sale, if they are buying it and they're setting up for the sale, they're not going to sell everything. And they're not going to sell to the point where the price is going to go down because then they won't make no money. But they don't care. But people don't care. They want to just make money anyway. Because if they buy, you got to think of it this way. If they sell it to the point where they could buy it low again, and then everybody else is selling it along with them, then they could buy it low at 100 to 98,000 and 92,000. If they know it's going to eventually get to 200,000, they're going to want to buy it at that point anyway. They're going to want to buy it at 92,000 and make another $100,000. So that's just me thinking, bro. But I know for a fact the play they did this week. I know that for a fact. That's what they did, and that's why I got $211,000 on their behinds. I know that. I say every weekend is always a big move. And it ain't regular people. It's them. I'm starting to take it personal, bro. Because I'm starting to think they're doing this because of me. And you got to look at it like that. You got to take it personal. You got to go, oh, well, yeah, they're doing that because of me. I'm making money, and now all of a sudden they want to put, you know, they want to manipulate the market. We at 212,000, y'all. We definitely passed 15 grand now. Is our new mark like 10,000? Because at first we was at like, okay, we good with 4,000. That's great. Hooray! $4,000. That was great. But now we hitting $10,000. And you know what's funny about it and what makes it even more great is $10,000 on the fools that basically was trying to manipulate the market earlier this week, where we lost to $6,000. Yeah, so they got us for 6, y'all. We got them for 15. How they like that? Yeah, they thought they were so smart last week. Remember when they hit us for $6,000? Oh yeah, I bet they had a big laugh. Oh yeah, we got all those fools for like tens and millions of dollars. Yeah, that Rez Joe, he just started his channel. Yeah, we definitely made that fool look dumb. Oh yeah, now how dumb do I look now? But this bust you for $15,000 2 days in a row. I just hit $200,000. I'm at 212. That's 12 grand. I just bust you for $12,000 and then what? Let me see how long it's been this time. In an hour and 26 minutes. You sure got me. Okay, but let's check this. Yeah, you got to build yourself up and get your little confidence up. It's not about mindset. It's about knowing what you're doing and knowing what these fools is doing. That's just logic. And these guys think you retarded. I've been looking at them the whole time. They don't know that. I've been looking at you the whole time. Now you know that. Now you know I'm looking at you every time I jump on this market. I'm looking at what you guys doing. And I know every weekend you guys think you slick because the banks and stuff is closed, and you guys like to bust into the market thinking ain't nobody trading. I trade on the weekend. I ain't going out. I ain't partying. I could party on Monday. Happy hour. Yeah, I said happy hour. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Yeah, I'm cheap. Yeah, I said it. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, what's going on? Whoa, whoa, wait a minute, bro. Yeah, bro, hold up, bro. What you doing, bro? This computer always trying to be slick, bro. Like, you notice that? It's always trying to pull a fast one. Like, hey, what is this? What is that about? Let's see if it. So it should go to my window projector. Yup. But then I don't like how that look. I don't like how that look, dude. That don't look good. That window projector should be good. But I know that window projector is what you're supposed to be using. I know that for a fact. All right, let's get back into it. We about to lose this little $72 to get back into it. But check this out. It traded into the flow. These bastards tried to be slick, but they went right back. They went right into my trap. Caught another flow right here in my PAF chart. Traded down, went down, and went back up into my PMF chart. We made a little bit of money there too. And now it's going back into my PMF chart, PAF chart. Okay. All right. Let's see. So we don't want to overstay our welcome, but we do want to make a little bit of money. So let's see what's going on. We at 9,000. We at 900. Yeah, I think we should take it. Oh, wow. It reached 1,000. Yeah, they moving up and down. So now we trading with the institutions now. They're falling right into our trap. That's fine. It caught right into my little web. That's good. They're gonna try to break out of it using a system, but that's cool. We can always readjust it. Price action is still around in this area right here. That's why I say I keep this chart tight. I keep it tight because it's telling me my entry point. This is how you enter in the trade. That's a key indicator. Well, it's not even an indicator. It's just a key drawing that you use to all right, set that. Market kind of solid there. And it seemed like it's gonna hit my actual alert. So it is going to seem like it is going to break out into that market. It's going to break it. Okay, let's see what you're going to do then. I could take that little chump change right there. I know, guys. I know I'm overstaying my welcome. I know. Now let's see. Yeah, but it seemed like it's going to break it. So it's breaking it, but it's coming back to it. So pulling back. Yep, I knew it was going to pull back. I should have took that sale, but it's going back into it. So doing it less than a minute. Hey, buddy. You know what play mean? You know what that means? I broke. See, it pulled back right on me, and I missed that. That's fine. We missed it. That's cool. That's cool. That just shows just how fast it's hitting that. Lucky I didn't put no sale there. But it's going right back into that other mark right there. Oh, wow. Yeah, these boys is playing games. Now, had we not had that chart there, we would have took an L there if you would have been trading in that. Matter of fact, you wouldn't even been able to trade within that. But we could take more educated guesses, I guess. People are still buying into the market along with them. But as you can see, it's literally going back up. And we just made $900. Trading in the momentum. I ain't in them. We in them. We winning. Trading momentum. I'm in them. We winning. We winning. Okay. Trading momentum. I'm in them. We winning. We winning. Okay, y'all. So what it's gonna do? Yeah, see. We lost that one. That was kind of like a fake out, but it seemed like it's probably gonna go up here. All right, let's see what we gonna do. All right, let's see. All right. All right, let's see. That's 15. 15. We could chill out for here, because we gotta see how much we could get out of this. Yeah, wake up, bro. I don't know what's going on with my ClickZoc. It's on there. So is it going to pull back or is it going to do what it do? I'm trying to figure out what it's going to do. I want to overstay my welcome. That was light work. Oh, that's 400. All right, we're gonna see if it's gonna actually hit what we wanted to hit. Cause but right now we're dealing with these institutions now. I think the big boys is coming to play. Big boys come into play. And like I said, man, I don't think I'm like the best at this, bro. Like, I just think I just have my own style. So I do have something to offer. And I think my style is simple and relevant. Okay. I think there you go. It's gonna go down. Overstay our welcome. We're gonna wait for a little second. How about this? We do this. How about we do this? It may hit our alert right now. I want to see if it's gonna hit our alert though. And it did. So yeah, that's the big boys trading. Because if it's doing that, that's the institutions putting their sales in. And I think they're trying to really like drive the market down. In order for it to be going the way it's going, they're driving the market down. Yeah, so we're not playing no games. They're not playing no games at all, y'all. But we not neither. So we're not playing no games neither, buddy. We trying to. I like to catch a trade in the momentum, right when it's moving, because kind of confuse it a little bit. Now you really can't do that on no other chart because the rest of the systems have a delay, but on Binance you can do that. It's like a little cheat code. I like to take every advantage I could take. Oh, but let's see if we can get to 20,000. Might as well. I mean, they sure try to hit us for 20 grand, didn't they? We'll take that loss. See, the thing is, you can't take losses personal, bro. It's breaking past our horizontal point, and that's what I should have said. This is kind of breaking past that. Yeah, I know. But it's pulling back, so it's fine. I don't want to readjust the chart when there's no reason to readjust it. I don't want to overstay my welcome. It's coming back up, so yeah, it is pulling back. So traded right into the momentum again. You see, I know everybody like, oh man, look like you hitting it. They're like, hey, I'm hitting it right when it moves. So you really can't do that on the other like trades. You can do that on Binance because Binance is in real time and there is no delay, and you trading with Bitcoin and Tether. Where the dollar, it'll probably be a little delay because the dollar gotta take the order and adjust it for Bitcoin to the dollar or whatever. Okay, if it's just gonna keep hitting the horse, if it's just gonna keep hitting it, I'm probably gonna have to readjust it, right? I'm probably gonna have to readjust it, but I'm trying to see how far is it gonna go. All right. Okay. Let's check something real quick. We're beginning to crack it for 145. We've been getting to crack it for an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, we've been rocking out for a little bit, so yeah, it makes sense for us to make a little bit more money. It makes a lot more sense. I don't want to overstay our welcome though. Okay. That's literally people. I don't know why. I'm live. So why is they like trying to contact my Discord and contact me on the Discord and contact me on my like my PC line, my VoIP line, or whatever they call it? Instead of like just go to my live and chat with me there. I don't know what's that about, man. Like literally. It's literally like my mom. Like you see, they try to call me on this line right here. I'm live. Get on my thing. Okay. Probably gonna we may. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna readjust it, man, because, but it's not that really that far off, right? It's still kind of still going in. It haven't even been long enough neither, so it's kind of still going into the flow. Because you really want it where you want to know where it's actually headed, right? There you go, to accounting. Okay. See, it's going up there, but then it's pulling back here. So that's why I'm thinking on. That's why I'm really thinking on, right? Doing that. But it's like, it's not really going past that, right? That's the only thing about it. It's not really going past. See, it's not going past there. It's going there, but it's pulling back every time. There's probably like multiple institutions trying to do different things. So, I made $87 out of that. See, it's going. See. It's going right back to. It's going right back to my PAF. So it's so it's like it's not really. All right, took that little $3. Stay my welcome. Okay, that's 42. It's 397. That's 400. 600. I lost half of that little money, right? But we at 220,000. So we didn't reach our mark. Oh, it flipped on me. Oh. Okay. It got me. Yeah, it got me good. So it's going into that. It's going back into the PMF pretty much. So it got me. Take that little $20. I think you're gonna go here. But I think you're gonna go there. I think you're gonna make it there. I don't see no reason why not, but I'll take the 900. Yeah, it hit me. It got me. It got me for like $1,000 actually. So yeah, it's cool. It got me. We had 220. Yeah, it got me good, man. It got me. All right. Oh, Okay. Okay, we had live stream. We gonna hit the edit right here. That's how we gonna do it now. That's where we at. That's where we at, and that's how we doing it, man. We rocking now, y'all. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's still the same. It's still the same. Booth? We can do all that later. We can do all that later. I must say, making $20,000 is pretty impressive, bro. Right? It's pretty impressive. Gotta say that. Should be very proud of himself. Yeah, should I readjust this? It's not really that far, so we pretty much okay. I was thinking on doing that though, but I got this horizontal line here too, so it's like don't really need to. But you can, because it is a new price action area, and you go from there. So, and as you can see, it is a new price action area, and it is eventually going to go in these two areas. But you could have left it up there, or you could have brought it down. That's the beauty of this method. It's really actually no wrong answer. It's just basically how you're going to do the trade. Or what you most comfortable with. Oh, here we go. And we're gonna go with my boy Flat Toys. All right. Yeah, put that in there. That didn't. Okay. Other than my boy Zoid, Flat Zoid, and PJ and them. Some good guys, man. If anybody want to check out their channels. All right, let me get back in here and see what the market's doing. See, as you see, it went down, came right back up into this PAF. Yeah, we didn't even take advantage of that, did we? You can't catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. Pikachu. Okay, we can erase this. This is being confusing now. Yeah, see if it's gonna come down actually. Didn't have my alerts up, that's why I didn't see it actually. Okay. We at 21,000. I mean, ain't at 20,000. We at 21,000. I didn't even freaking know that. What is going on, bro? What is going on, bro? Yeah, it's a whole lot better trading though. It might hit that mark. I'm gonna wait till it hit it. Yeah. Yeah, Cricket's an idiot. Okay, wow, that's not why is it not? Yeah, that was kind of weird, bro. My alert, I know it sounded, but it's like a screen went totally black for some reason. It's kind of not like a computer thing. It's kind of, I don't know. It's like a monitor thing. But my monitor is like brand new. So I'm going to get take the monitor back. I'm fine with it. Can't win them all. I missed the trade, but you can't win them all. Seems like we adjust our PAF just in time too. It's not a. Yeah, these guys. They are trying to drive the market down. They're trying to drive the market back down to 98. So they could buy into it cheap. Yeah, they trying to drive the market down. All right. Well, you don't want to overstay your welcome on that neither, actually. Just take that little 48 bucks. Go on about your business. Making a little money slowly, but kind of like surely. So it's like take your little money that you're gonna make and it's going on. It's not like you're gonna make all of it. See, that's what happens when you overstay your welcome. Okay, it might come back up though. Yeah, they trying to drive the market down, so most of the big moves is gonna be going down. It's gonna go up, but eventually it's gonna come back down. I'll take that little 400 bucks and go about my business. And get green, get clean. We got 22 grand. I'm about to go ahead and end this stream. We pretty much cool for the day. And the market it's kind of getting a little bit slow. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, they're trying to make what they're doing. They're trying to make they driving the market down. They lowering. They selling till the price get low. Then they're gonna buy again. They're gonna do the same thing they did last week. It's the same thing they did last week. Which is pretty smart if you think about it. If you think about it, it's pretty smart because check it. If you buy into the market, if you sell into the market until the price get low, right? And then you buy it more than what you sold. If you buy more than what you sold, people is going to eventually drive the price back up. So if you buy it all at your desired, price, you could go ahead and wait till the market go up and then sell when it's high again and do the whole process over again. So it's pretty smart. It's kind of like the same thing retailers do when retailers pretty much invest into the market. And then they basically trade within the market, take everything, take the money that they made, and then invest pretty much the same amount of money or a little bit more money into the market while they taking a profit. So it's pretty much institutions doing the same thing. The only thing is that they're controlling it because they're buying big and selling big. Now it's going back into my PAF, going towards that. It's going into there. And I would take my buy. Hold up for a second. Hold up. Don't get too anxious now. What's that? $4.99. Not bad. We're at $23,000 now. Taking pretty big trades, actually. This is like, now we trading a little bit risky here. Like I said, I wouldn't try this at home as a beginner. I wouldn't, me personally, I wouldn't try this at home as a beginner because you want your mind to stay in the, you want your confidence to build. Right now, my confidence is at an all-time high, so it wouldn't affect me if I had a losing day or not. So it wouldn't affect me. So I think I could like trade a little bit longer than like somebody that's just now. Like I could trade a whole lot longer than when I first started out. When I first started out, I was only able to trade for like a good hour. And then once I take like a major loss, I literally would have to shut my brain down, move on to something else, think about it, do a little bit of study, and then come back and try again tomorrow. Versus like right now, where I could take a little bit longer, maybe like 2 or 3 hours, shut my brain down, and then come back. I could come back pretty much like later on throughout the day. Kind of addicted to it right now, so I don't think you as a beginner, you shouldn't be at the addicted part yet. You want to give your brain some time to think, and then like I said, you want to come up with your own strategy. What works best for you? You don't have to use my strategy. You could come up with your own little tactic. You know, it's really about, no strategy is the right strategy. There's no one way to do trades. It's just really what's comfortable, what is going to give you confidence in order to do the trade. What is more comfortable for you to be, be in the market. But as long as you see the market and do the price action accurately, it's fine. Like, you don't really even need this PMF. You could use horizontal lines and do the same thing. You could take 2 horizontal lines like right here and right here where you see my alerts. These are horizontal lines, actually. Those horizontal lines. So you literally could take these 2 lines, put alerts there, and sit there and wait for the market to go into that, go outside of it, and you could do all your probability right from there. And it could be your price action right from there. There's so many things you can do. I'll delete it there for now. Okay, y'all. It's coming back up, right? That's what we was waiting for. Okay. Get in, get out. You don't want to overstay your welcome. On back down. Now, I think we can kind of readjust our chart. This is literally not going back up there. It's going up there, but it's kind of resisting. We can readjust it right here. And here will be our alert right there. Hit our alert right here. And it's already breaking that. And there you go right there. hit that. I want to overstay my welcome there. Let's take that. Even though I was going to make that money right back, that's fine. That's all good. Take this right here. It's 94. Fine. Don't want to overstay my welcome there. That's $400. 95. Yeah, they driving the market down. That's what they doing. People buying into it because the price is so low. So they letting everybody buy into the market. And then they gonna come with the hammer. There it is. See what I'm saying? It's 327. We had an even 24 grand. All right, $16. All right. And like I said, I might come with some new like little strategies, you know. I like to stay right here. Something new. Probably gonna go back into our PMF and make it consolidate right here. Have it consolidated not one time. Oh, wait a minute. Is it? We don't want to overstay our welcome, so let's take that. Okay. Well, they haven't crossed that line. That's why my alerting go off. Now I crossed it. That's why I was hesitant to take that trade. Okay, now it's going up. Now it's going up. Now it's going up. Now you're doing your thing. Okay. Now we at 25 grand. So we pretty much, we cool for the day. I'm definitely cool for the day. Okay. So I want to give my brain a little rest. As you can see, like my brain is, but basically I've been literally just looking at the market, and it's, look what it did. It just hit Look what it just did. Oh my God, I just missed that. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's just great. As you see, it just traded right in that PMF. Had I been a little bit more patient, I would have been all randy dandy. So I think it's going to pull back though, actually. Ain't that something? That was the institution too. Yeah, so made that little money back. Is it going all the way up? Oh, it's going back to my original chart. Ain't that something? Oh, ain't that something? Okay, let's see how far you're gonna take this. This is getting interesting. Yeah, this is getting very interesting. Okay. I'm hitting these trades so fast that the thing is not keeping up what I'm doing. Because I'm trading within the momentum. But that was interesting. That was pretty interesting. Okay, now it's pulling back a little bit, but it seemed like it's just a fake out actually. Yeah, that's a fake out. That's a fake out. All right, I was just about to leave, but I guess we had to take that little money. So 26,000 now. All right. So the calculator. Let's see if it's gonna actually. Oh, wait a minute. All right, let's take a look at this calc. Right. As you see, we was at 15 grand. That was when we hit that 91,000 mark, right? So we was at 15,000. That's pretty crazy if you really think about it. So we was at 91 91,500, right? 91 grand and 5. Okay, so let's do this. Where we at now? 226. Ain't no decimal. 220. Subtract 91. What was that? 564. 564. What was that? Oh, that's it. So that's $34,000 in one day. Right? I mean, we could take a look at that again. That's $34,000 in one day. I mean, and we only been trading for like a good hour. So, yeah, so that would be officially how much we traded in 2 hours. How much money we basically made in 2 hours. So that would be $34,656 and 1 cent. Right? I'm saying that's pretty amazing, right? That's like, so yeah. That's pretty amazing. That's kind of like a record, kind of broken a little bit. At least on far as my live stream, that's like a record being broken. But remember, I made $15,000 before that. So you might as well add. You can add 15 grand. So that would be $49,000 that we made today, which is pretty good, right? Yeah. Now my pop said that he made 100 grand on a big trade not too long ago. I think it was like a few days ago. He said, I made $100,000. And I was looking like, oh man, I never made nothing like that. But I'm thinking we getting pretty close to making that type. Right? Making that type of money. But we didn't do nothing like that. I'm not even trying to fathom that. Okay, so this market, it went completely against what we was doing. But I'm pretty sure if I keep going, I could get there. Right? We only need 50 more grand, right? Like I said, you don't want to do something and then do something stupid and then lose all the money that you made. Like you don't want, oh, whoa, then the trade is going completely against you. Like, oh no. Right? Sorry guys, I'm doing this real fast. And here we go. All right, we about to get up out of here. And this is your boy Reg Joe Live Trade, and we are about to go. I hope everybody pretty much enjoyed yourself. Like I said, we do still have those videos coming out for you guys today. I just got to basically upload them to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy them. Like I said, we did a live trading section yesterday. It was pretty good, but it did have a few technical difficulties. That's why we're doing this today. But as you can see, I think we didn't made enough money today to basically make up for yesterday's trading section. But still look at it. Still look at the live trading section, and still you will still see the trades, the method actually being done. It's pretty much the same method that I'm using today. It's pretty much traditional scalping, using the actual strategy that I'm basically just explained to you guys. So I would say take a look at it anyway. Compare it to the other videos that's on my channel. And pretty much this would be pretty much an update, and I think this is probably one of our best live sessions that we had today. So this is Res Joe live trading, and we're gonna be back probably tomorrow. Hopefully it's probably gonna be back in the evening. We're gonna get our evening schedule back going. I did wanted to do something on the early morning side, or at least the afternoon, so on Saturday, since I know most people usually are home. But I try to basically have my show being scheduled towards in the evening, just to catch the people when they come home from work and things of that nature. But I will start doing my shows a little bit earlier. And my videos will always be out. You can always check the video out, and I usually always trade and make a video before I actually do a live session. So just to get a flow of the market and just to get everything set up for you guys. So those videos will definitely be coming out as well, along with our live sessions. And I do have some other things, some other plans as well. And we could also go from there as well. So I have like a few reaction videos. I wanted to do another one of those, just like I did in my first video. But I'm trying to figure out, who to target, and it's not going to be relevant to trading all the time. Probably going to be, for other like financial things and other like videos, or maybe some make us laugh, give us something to think about. So leave a comment, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do catch us live, please, be my guest and hit the chat, ask any questions, and tell us about your experience, and we could go from there. But this is the channel. This is pretty much the place to be, where you will see live trading sessions always. You will see all my mistakes. You will see all of my gains, and you will be joining this journey along with us, because we all are doing it together. This is Res Joe once again, and I'm about to be up out of here, and we're going to be live. Peace.